Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. It is Wellness Wednesday. Here this spring, as the days are getting longer and we have lots going on, especially with our testing, make sure that we get plenty of sleep. So our daily Bite Wellness tip. Do you get enough sleep? Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night is just as important as eating right and exercising regularly. Try creating a nightly ritual that will help you relax before bedtime. So getting a great night's sleep is super important, so try to go to bed early so you can get plenty of rest. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we'll have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have a hot dog. Tomorrow we'll have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have pizza. Our birthdays today are Aiden Grandison and Mikkel Harris. Happy birthday! Next, we have a couple of reminders. Our third grade learners will be testing this morning. Please remember to be quiet near the computer lab and the collab lab. Following them will be our fourth graders. So please make sure that you are quiet in the hallways, at least until lunchtime. Please spend your allocation money. This money is allocated for this year and should be spent on the current school year. Late duty today is going to be Miss Bolton, tomorrow Miss Hogan, and then Miss White. Important dates. PST will not be held today. It will be tomorrow for those indicated in the email that Ms. Horton sent out. March 26th, which is Friday, is the end of our third quarter, and grades are due into iNow by March 29th. Following that, we have spring break, the 5th through the 9th of April. April 16th, we have spring pictures, and finishing up the ACAP summative on April 30th. Make sure you're cheering on your pep partner group this week. We have third grade and fourth grade testing this week, and fifth grade will be coming up next week. Our word of the day is a kilogram. Kilogram is a metric unit of mass equal to 1,000 grams. Okay, a kilogram is mass, so it is comparable to pounds. Kilogram is about 2.5 pounds. So if you're going to weigh something, you would see the mass in kilograms. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.